Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen. Now this features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include air conditioning, you get automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with full service history. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower and it's only done 6,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.